Students, very good evening, and again I am with the new question on the topic profit and loss. This is our question number 6, and without wasting time, so we have to solve the question. First of all, I will read the question. Savannah bought 16 dozen ball pens and sold them at a loss equal to SP of 8 ball pens. Find her loss percent. First of all, here she bought the pens at how many pens? 16 dozen ball pens and sold them at a loss. It means she was in loss. SP of 8 ball pens. Okay, so we can find the loss if we know the selling price of ball pens. Here the loss is equal to how much? SP of 8 ball pens. According to that loss, we can calculate the cost price also. So, students, this is our solution number 6. So, let the SP of I will write in capital letters. SP of one ball pen is equal to rupees X. Or we can do also in number, that is we can assume it as rupee 1 also, but I had already done all the questions in the form of X, so this one will also I assume as X. Otherwise you get confused that sometime assume 1 and sometime X, what is this? So you will not get clear. Let the SP of one ball pen equal to rupees X. So SP of 16 dozen, or first of all we write the 8 ball pens. SP of 8 ball pens equal to 8x. How much? 8x. This is the SP of 8 ball pens. So this is the loss, total loss. So loss is how much? Rupees 8x. You can write rupees, or if you don't want to write, then there is no need to write rupees. Rupees 8x is the loss. We have to find the loss percent. For that we should know the cost price of the pen. So students, we have to find the selling price of 16 dozen pens. Okay, selling price of 16 dozen pens. How much? Cost of one ball pen is X. So 16 dozen will be how much? 16 into 12, because 1 dozen equal to 12. So 2 6 ja 12, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2, and 1 3, and this will be 6 and 1. You can add 2 9 192 pens. It will be, here I will write SP of in bracket 192 pens. When 92 pens equal to 192 into X, it will be 192 X. This is the selling price of 16 dozen pens. So loss is there, and we have to find the cost price. CP of 16 dozen pens, 16 bracket 192, here I will write dozen pens, equal to how much? 192 X, and here it is going in the loss, so the cost price will be more than the selling price. So you can add 8x to selling price, then you will get cost price. X 0, carry 1, 9 0, 200x. How much? It will be 200 x. This is the cost price of ball pens. If it is going in the loss, so the cost price will be always more than selling price. That's why I have added the loss. This is the total loss, that is equal to the cost, the selling price of 8 ball pens. Okay, now we have to we found the selling price, cost price, both the things, but we need not selling price, we need cost price and loss. But two things we need, that is loss and cost price, because we have to find the loss percent. We have to find the loss percent. So loss percent equal to loss upon what? CP into 100. CP we already found here. CP we have already found here. What is the CP? 200x. And loss is 8x upon 200x into 100. This is our loss percent. Okay, now divide. This x get cancel out. This 2 0 get cancel out. And 2 4 ja 8. So total loss percent is equal to 4%. So students, this is the loss on the 16 dozen ball pens, and this is our answer. So again, thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Okay, thank you very much.